Hello everyone, my name is Tam from Grand Canyon University. Today this presentation is about the project overview of developing a web store. Welcome to the web store launch project presentation. Our project revolves around launching a web store, a venture that holds great promise. Effective planning is a cornerstone of our success. We will dive deeper into why it's critical to plan meticulously. Today we will start by understanding the importance of methodology and delve into the key management responsibility. In this slide, we will explore why system analysis and design methodology are such a transformative force in the world of system development. These methodologies serve as the architect of digital landscape. Their role is to ensure that our system not only operate but do so with a peak efficiency. Picture them as the compass that guide the system journey, aligning it precisely with our organization need. This alignment not only reduces the errors but also converts our invaluable resources. The methodology are the champion of adaptability. They empower our system to evolve seamlessly alongside with our ever-evolving business requirements. But that's not all. They also focus on the user certification, recognizing its pivotal roles in our success. By doing so, they act as early warning system, proactively identifying and mitigating potential risks before they escalate. In this slide, we will explore the important roles of management in the successful implementation of information system. Now you may be wondering what exactly are the two key management responsibilities that we are talking about. The first one is strategic planning. Think of it as the master plan or the blueprint for our IT journey. It is about defining clear, overarching goals and strategy for our IT initiative and ensure that our IT efforts are aligned with our business objectives and long-term vision. The second crucial responsibility is resource allocation. This is where financial come into play because as upper management, you are responsible for efficiently allocating the organization's resources like people, budget, and time. This means ensuring that the right resources are allocated to the right project at the right time. It is about smart budgeting and resource management, and when we done effectively, it enables us to execute our strategic plan and make our IT initiative a reality. In this segment, we will explore the fundamental type of information system. It is very important to understand the category because as a upper management, we have a substantial impact on our operation. The first category is strategic information system. These are the systems that guide the organization at the highest level because they provide insight and data for long-term strategic planning and decision making, affecting the overall direction and competitive advantage of the company. Next, we have the tactical information system. These systems are instrumental in bridging the gap between strategic planning and day-to-day operation. They help in making decisions related to medium-term goals and resource allocation, ensuring our strategy are executed effectively. Organizational information systems are the engine that drive our daily activities. They handle routine transactions and support the day-to-day functioning of the organization. The system ensures operational efficiency and accuracy, which are paramount. Lastly, there are support information systems. The systems are heroes that provide the necessary support for the entire information system environment. They include services like security, data backup, and network management, safeguarding our data and system. Next, we will discuss how we set our organizational strategy when it comes to information system. This is crucial because it guides our future step. I will talk about four drivers that significantly shape our strategy. The first driver is market dynamics. This is about understanding what is happening in our industry because customer preferences are changing, industry trends are emerging, and we need to adapt. The second one is competitive force. We must keep a close eye on our rivals, knowing what they are doing, what their strengths and weaknesses are, help us position ourselves effectively in the market. Our third driver is technological change. Technology is evolving rapidly. It is crucial to stay updated with emerging tech. Innovation can disrupt the market, and we want to be prepared for that. Last but not least, the regulatory environment. We, make, we need to make sure that we are compliant with government regulation and industry standards. This affects our strategy and decision making significantly. Next, the project management is a structured process that guides us through the successful completion of any project. It typically consists of four key phases. First is initiation. This is where we define the project purpose and scope. We ask ourselves questions like why are we doing this and what is the project goals. Initiating the project set us on the right path and allow everyone understanding of its objective. Once we have initiated the project, we move on to the planning. This is where we lay out a detailed roadmap. We establish timelines, allocate resources, and set milestones. A well-prepared plan is crucial for a project success. With a with the plan in hand, it's time to roll up our sleeve and get to work. The execution phase is where the actual project activity happens. We implement the plan, monitoring progress, and make adjustments as necessary. Finally, the closure phase marks the project ends. We review what we have accomplished, ensuring that all objectives are met, and officially close out the project. This phase also includes lessons learned and documentation for the future reference. These four phases. In this slide, I'm excited to dive into one of the critical aspects of project management, the most challenging phase, which is the execution phase. As we know, the project management encompasses four key phases, which is initiation, planning, execution, and closure. Why each phase has its unique demands is but the execution phase is the phase that often poses the greatest challenge for us. We can encounter several challenges like resource allocation. Um, Effective resource allocation requires carefully planning, coordination, and a deep understanding of the project requirement. Scope creep is another challenge that can derail even the most well-planned project. It involves managing change and preventing the project scope from expanding beyond its original boundary. It is essential to have a robust change management process in place to address this effectively. Quality control. Maintaining high standards throughout the project is very important. Quality control becomes challenging because it demands attention to details, content monitoring, and adherence to best practice. It is about delivering excellence consistently. Next is the communication. Effective communication is the backbone of any project. Ensuring clear and efficient communication among team members and stakeholders is very vital. Miscommunication can lead to misunderstanding and project might delay. To mitigate the risk in the execution phase, we must adopt a proactive approach. Here are some strategy. Firstly, establish robust monitoring and control mechanism. Having a system in place for monitoring progress, tracking performance, and identifying issues early on is very important. This allows us to take corrective action promptly. Next is maintain a clear scope and change management process. As we mentioned above, the clearly defining the project scope and maintaining strong management process very helpful. Change should be carefully evaluated, documented, and approved. Conduct regular quality check. Quality control should be an ongoing process, not just a final check. Regular inspection, audit, and adherence to the quality standard are the key to delivering high-quality results. Implement efficient communication tools and protocol. So utilizing modern communication tools and establishing clear communication protocol can help streamline information flow, ensuring that everyone stay on the same page. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, safeguarding our digital assets and intellectual property is not a choice, but a necessity. I would like to present a concise strategy on how we can achieve this effectively. First is digital asset management. We must implement DAM to organize our digital resource systematically. This technology streamlines asset management, making it easier for us to access and control our valuable digital assets. Next is asset control. Implementing strict asset control is very important. Only authorized personnel should access our sensitive data, and this can reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Encryption. Prioritizing data encryption is very crucial. It renders our data to unauthorized user, providing an additional layer of security against data breach. Regular backup. Automated backup are our insurance for digital assets. They enable quick recovery in the event of data loss, minimizing downtime. The importance of these measures lies in protecting brand identity. Consistency in our brand presentation ensure immediate recognition by our customer. Preventing data breach. Data breach can have catastrophic consequences, damaging our reputation and causing financial loss. Ensuring data security is our frontline defense. Fostering trust. Building trust with our stakeholders is paramount. They should feel confident that their digital assets and sensitive information are in safe hands. So in this slide, I'm going to talk about leveraging past experience for future success in the system development. Our journey into the heart of our system development strategy unveils the power of experience. It's a treasure filled with insight about what works and what doesn't. Our first step is a deep dive into historical data. We meticulously examine documentation, feedback, and the final detail. This exploration equips us with the ability to anticipate potential challenges in our current project. The second step is akin to mining for gold. We unearth the successful strategy and methodology from our past victories. Our goal is to replicate this golden approach, significantly enhancing our chance of success in our current endeavor. In the final step, we focus on fine-tuning our system requirements based on the past experience. This meticulous process aligns with our system with the real-world need and expectation, ensuring its filing tuned for success. This is the end of my presentation, and these are references that I use. Thank you for listening and have a great day.